Hello and welcome back to Coder's Cookbook. Christmas is just around the corner and cookies are mandatory for any holiday season. So here we are bringing you the most amazing coconut cookies recipe. And for that, you need coconut and lots of coconut. Just kidding. We'll start with a bowl of desiccated coconut and we'll keep it aside. We are not going to do anything with this in the beginning, it's just to get the feel. Stay tuned till the end to know all the magical ingredients of our coconut cookies recipe. We will start with by taking half cup of butter and coconut oil mix. You can just look at it, I have mixed them both. And my butter is at room temperature. To this I am going to add 1/4 cup of brown sugar and 1/4 cup of white sugar as well. And now we have to mix them really well. Till the time I am mixing them, please go and subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Always remember guys, the trick to make best cookies is to whisk butter and sugar really well. So keep on whisking until you get the desired consistency. Finally, our butter and sugar has been mixed completely. Now it's time to add our next ingredient, which is 1 cup of all-purpose flour, which is commonly known as maida. Now we will add half cup of desiccated coconut to the mix. Now we will add half teaspoon of baking powder to the mix, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of corn flour, half teaspoon of cinnamon powder. This is optional guys, you can totally omit it. Now we'll have to mix all the ingredients really well so that it can form a cookie dough. Finally, all our ingredients are well incorporated and our cookie dough is almost ready. This crumbly texture will tell you that how well the butter has been incorporated into the rest of the ingredients. But our final step is still left. So now we are going to add 2 tablespoons of milk to it so that our dough takes the final shape. Once it is mixed well, our final cookie dough will be ready. Just like this. Look at the texture of the cookie dough guys. It should be just like this. And now it's time to make some cookies. Here I am making 2 types of coconut cookies. One which will be just dusted with the coconut on the top and the other one in which I'll be filling the desiccated coconut as well. For the latter one, you just have to take the dough in your hand, make some space for the desiccated coconut and fill in the space. Once added, just close the dough and give it a ball shape again. Similarly, we will make rest of the cookie balls. Once they are ready, we have to top them with the desiccated coconut layer. For that, we'll take desiccated coconut in a bowl and one by one we'll dip our cookie into it just like this. This way, the top side of our cookies will have the layer of desiccated coconut on it. And we will repeat the process until all our cookies are done. And finally, all our cookies are ready, and now we are going to bake them. We are going to bake them at 160 degrees for about 25 minutes. And after that, our yummy coconut cookies are ready, guys. So are you excited just like I am to taste these cookies? Don't you worry, I'll do that for you. But first, look at the texture of the cookies, guys. Isn't it amazing? Quick tip here. Brown sugar does amazing wonders to your cookies. So whenever you are making any kind of cookie, make sure to add half brown sugar and half white sugar. And your cookies will turn out awesome just like this. These cookies were perfectly crunchy on the outer side, and while eating it's perfectly gooey from the center. This is what I look for in the cookies. So if you guys like this recipe, do share it with your friends and family. And if you try this recipe, do tag us on our Insta handle @kodos.cookbook. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in next video.